how to enable or disable audio monitoring for video camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Camera app. After click on Camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on Settings icon. Now in Camera Settings, scroll down and click on Camera Assistant. After click on Camera Assistant, here showing you audio monitoring. If you want to enable audio monitoring, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see audio monitoring is turned on and enable. If you want to disable audio monitoring, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see audio monitoring is disabled. You will enable or disable audio monitoring from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable audio monitoring for video camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks.